What if you fell into a black hole? Let's say you're casually floating through space, minding your own business, when suddenly, bam, a black hole appears. First of all, unlucky you. Second of all, buckle up because things are about to get weird. Black holes are the universe's ultimate no-entry zones. They're not holes at all. They're insanely dense regions of space where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. Which means, if you fall in, nobody will ever see you again. Not even your mom. But let's imagine for science's sake, what happens if you fall into one? Step 1. Crossing the event horizon. The event horizon is the point of no return. Outside of it, you're still safe, kind of. Inside of it, well, let's just say the universe no longer cares about you. If the black hole is small, things go badly very quickly. The tidal forces, differences in gravity between your head and your feet, would stretch you out like spaghetti. Scientists actually have a name for this: spaghettification. It's not a joke. You'd literally be pulled apart molecule by molecule. But if it's a supermassive black hole like the one at the center of our galaxy, it gets more interesting. The gravitational gradient is less extreme, so you might not notice anything at the event horizon. You could cross it without even realizing it, kind of like walking through a trapdoor in space. Step 2. Inside the abyss. Once you're inside, physics starts to get confused. General relativity, Einstein's theory, and quantum mechanics, the rulebook for tiny things, start fighting like two angry toddlers. No one really knows what happens. You might fall forever, or time itself might slow down for you. To the outside world, something bizarre happens. You appear to freeze in place, right at the edge of the event horizon. Your image gets dimmer and redder over time until you fade away. It's like hitting pause on a cosmic DVD. But from your point of view, you're falling deeper and deeper. Light curves around you. Space is warped. Reality breaks down. Step 3. The singularity. At the center lies the singularity, on a point of infinite density where the laws of physics as we know them cease to exist. Time and space swap roles. Down doesn't mean anything anymore. And you're crushed into a point smaller than an atom. At this point, your atoms are no longer you. You're now part of the black hole. And here's the kicker. No one knows what actually happens at the singularity. Maybe you're obliterated. Maybe you pop into another universe. Maybe you meet alternate timeline versions of yourself who all made better life choices. But wait, could you survive? Short answer, no. Long answer, not in the way you think. There are some wild theories, though. One says that everything falling into a black hole gets stored on the surface like a cosmic USB stick. That's called the holographic principle. Another theory says black holes might be portals to other dimensions. So falling in could be a one-way ticket to a parallel universe, or a very bad vacation. Some scientists even believe black holes evaporate slowly over time, thanks to something called Hawking radiation. So technically, you might come out in trillions of years. Slightly dead, though. Conclusion, don't fall in. Black holes are not your friend. They are fascinating, terrifying, and mysterious. They bend time, crush matter, and trap light. Falling into one is a one-way trip into the unknown, with no return ticket. So next time you're floating around in space, maybe keep an eye out for suspiciously dark spots that bend the light around them. Or better yet, stay home. Earth's gravity may be annoying, but at least it won't spaghettify you.